Welcome back to another book review, and I just had to share this book with you all. This is German Fighters of the Great World War, Volume 1, Ronny Bar Profiles. Now, if you're familiar with World War I aircraft, you might recognize his illustrations and his artwork. He is very notable for his artwork in many of the World War I aircraft publications, along with many of the artwork used by Wingnut Wings International, back when we had those beautiful kits available to us from the New Zealand group. And I truly do miss having that available to us in our hobby, and it's too bad it has gone away. But anyway, this is a pretty thick book here, and you can see it's hardcover. Wonderful aircraft profiles from World War I, and I can't wait to get part 2 of this book. This book is comprised of 241 pages. All profiles are illustrated in a constant style so that it's possible to see the comparative size between each type of aircraft. Each subject is based on photographic evidence and thoroughly researched. Ronny Bar was born in Buenos Aires, Argentina. From a very early age, he had a love for aircraft, and he first flew in the backseat of a T-34 Mentor trainer. He began to draw aircraft and build models, mainly Spitfires, Messerschmitts at first, then Camels and Fokkers later. Since 2005, his illustrated works are well known by writers from Greg von Weingarten, Alan Toll, Peter Kilduff. His artwork has appeared regularly in publications such as Windsock Dataphile, Windsock Worldwide, Cross and Cockade International, Over the Front, Luftwaffe im Focus, World War I Aero. Also, since 2005, he formed part of Peter Jackson's team, doing all the profile artwork for Wingnut Wings. And I do miss those model kits being available to us. Finally, he got more involved in his passion for aircraft and flying, and in November 2008 he started pilot training. Let's go ahead and give a look at some of the profiles that are featured in here. This is broken down into the series of Fokker E series, the Pfalz E series, the Fokker D series, the Halberstadt D series, the Albatros D series, the Roland D Series 2, Siemens Schuckert D1, and the Albatros DV. Out of respect for copyrights with this book, even though none are mentioned in this, I'm just going to highlight a few of the profiles. The Fokker E-1 Ernst Udet from January 1916. We also get a top profile view, bottom profile view, Lieutenant Max Immelmann, Fokker E2 from October 1915, Ernst Udet, Fokker D3 from October 1916, Hermann Göring, Halberstadt D2 from July 1916, Otto Hohn, Albatros D1 from September 1916, Prince Frederick Karl von Preußen, March 1916, Albatros D1. Manfred von Richthofen, Albatros D2, November 1916. Another Manfred von Richthofen, Albatros D3 from April 1917. Karl Altenroder, Albatros D3 from June 1917. Karl Vivre, Albatros D3, June 1917. Oskar Zetz, Albatros D3, June 1917. Josef Loser, December 1917, Albatros D3. Gerhard Fiesler, June 1917, Roland D2. Manfred von Richthofen, June 1917, Albatross D5. Hermann Göring, July 1917, Albatross D5A. And there it is. That is a fantastic book. Literally hundreds and hundreds of profiles. And there you have it. This was a review of the German Fighters of the Great War, Volume 1, Ronny Bar Profiles. It's a fantastic book, and I can't wait for Volume 2 to come out, which should complete the history of the Great War German fighters. And please let me know in the comments below if Ronny Bar's art inspired you to build any of the Wingnut Wings model kits, World War I aircraft. I think his work is outstanding, and he went through a lot of painstaking research through thousands of photographs, used a lot of his artistic license with what he knows, with his knowledge on these aircraft, to give you these wonderful profiles in this one volume book here. So, I can't tell you enough how much this book is, how much it means to me, and how much I'm going to enjoy using this as a reference when I go along building some of the Wingnut Wing kits that I have in my stash. Anyway, I appreciate everybody who subscribes to my channel, everyone who supports my channel, and please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. It helps the algorithms, helps get my channel out there. With that, I hope you enjoyed this review once again. If you'd like to see more book reviews, just let me know in the comments below. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.